Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I want to show you how you can go into your XPression MOS plugin or the XPression sequencer and save out a PNG file. I'm working in my newsroom system, and this is Inception. It could be iNews or ENPS or Delete or Octopus or any one of them. The XPression MOS plugin has this great feature that we put in back in version 6.5. If I build up a template and I put information in, and I want to have information in it that's topical for whatever my presentation is, and I don't have a way to get this into broadcast. For example, I need to put this into a TVU workflow. If I go to the thumbnail that's in my XPression MOS plugin and I right click, I can choose export image, and by default that will export that file as a PNG file. And I've got a folder here I'm calling lower thirds. I'm just going to go ahead and name it. I'm going to call it Patrick Name Super. You put that in and that gets saved. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Photoshop and I'm going to open. There's Patrick Name Super, and as you can see, it's got an alpha channel. It's at 60%, so if I blow it up to 100%, you can see the edges are nice and sharp. There's no compression issues, and it definitely has its alpha channel with it. So I'm going to close this. Now I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to open up XPression, and you can see I've got a template here, and I'm going to put in, let me spell it right here. There we go. Hello world. If I right click on a line item in the sequencer, what we call a take item, and I right click, I choose export take item. If I choose images, I can tell it to do a single frame, or it will give me a PNG sequence if that's what I choose. I choose the file format down here. I can also come in here and I can give it a name. So I could have left it as the name that it had, but I'm going to choose that and export it. And it's done. I'm going to close it. I'm going to go back into Photoshop. I'm going to open that up, and you will see there's my hello world graphic. And again, same thing with an alpha channel. So there's two different ways that you can export content out of XPression or XPression MOS plugins to get PNG files.